We are Zhongshan Wangli Plastic Factory. This plastic hanger is made of high-quality environmental PP material, safe and durable, and the price is favorable. The plastic hanger can be used for displaying, storing and selling pet clothes and children's clothes. Both sides of plastic hanger have groove, can fix dress position, make the dress jobs not easily. The plastic hanger has a certain elasticity. After being twisted, it can be restored to its original shape. Therefore, the plastic hanger can withstand a certain amount of tension and will not easily damage. Very durable. We have several different sizes of plastic hangers available. In addition to the transparent color, we also have translucent plastic hanger. Frosted texture looks very advanced. We can also customize plastic hangers in different colors according to your requirements. We can also customize size clips in different sizes, colors and shapes. Even if you want to put your logo on the plastic hanger, we can also customize it for you. If you are interested in this product or our factory, please feel free to contact us.